once you manage your sexual energy, you can begin to actually transform it. And the transformation of sexual energy is a process of refinement. Like, for example, crude oil can be refined, or a piece of stone can be turned into a beautiful diamond. So sexual energy, therefore, has the property that it can change into quality, with the result that you can use the transformed energy for your training, for your health, your vitality, for so many things. So the result of this is that, among other things, that you become more vital and that your manifesting capacity increases. In my workshop, Dragon Portal Teachings, I will teach you how to transform your sexual energy into vitality, personal power, so many advantages by collecting your sexual energy in the front of the body and then stream it through the microcosmic orbit, first up in the back of the body, following the spine, and then back down in the front of the body, where we refine this raw sexual energy through what we call the Mingmen, which is really translated as the gate of life, in the back of the body at the height of the kidneys and the navel belt, where the raw sexual energy is then refined and can now be used to flow into the brain, where it turns into what ancient traditions have long called nectar, golden light. You could call it maybe even a medicine, or activating the natural healing capacities of the body. Taoists have known, studied and improved their knowledge of subtle energy in the body for thousands of years. The details of these meridians, the points, their relationship to health has been thoroughly verified, even though it's still difficult to explain this scientifically. Or, for example, when we use acupuncture or other Chinese medicine methods to explain how subtle energy moves and works in the body. Now, the good news is that we don't need like a medical stamp of approval from governmental institutions or a series of scientific double-blind studies to improve our health. We can raise our vitality and strength through practicing, for example, Qigong exercises, movements, meditations that I'll teach you. Understanding deeper how to flow these energy streams or different forms and levels of life force in these microcosmic orbit energy channels. So the circulation of energy through these channels and through these points can awaken presence, strengthen our vital organs, and slow down the aging process.